Much love, and I'm Wayne Johnson with Doc and Queen Ministries. Just got a question I want to ask you on today. So, who can help you find a perfect helpmate? Is it your father? Is it your mother? Maybe it's your brother. How about your sister? Maybe an uncle, aunt, maybe a cousin. How about this? How about a best friend? Well, Genesis 2, verse 18 says, Then the Lord God said, I see that it is not good for the man to be alone. I will make the companion he needs, one just right for him. So, God is the one who's perfect to give you a helpmate.